In this video, we'll walk you through the differences between a class, a lesson, and an exercise, as well as how to create each of them. A class contains all the lessons and exercises that you will create for your students. Lessons are how you can organize and group several different exercises. A class can have as many lessons as you want, and each lesson can contain as many exercises as your students need. Go to school.oksensay.com and log in using your teacher account. Click Create New Class. Enter a name for your class, and if you'd like, you can add an optional description. Then choose whether your students will see the light or detailed report when completing exercises. Click Create New Lesson. Enter a name for your lesson, and if you'd like, an optional description. Here, you can set active dates. Just choose a start and due date to control when the lesson is accessible to students. Outside of these dates, the lesson will be hidden. Click Create New Exercise. You'll have the option to create several types of speaking exercises in this area, such as reading, reading with image, question with answer, open-ended question, image, video, or self-practice. Enter a name for your exercise. Once you've created your exercises, don't forget to assign them to your students. Use the Invite Students button at the class level to add students to a specific class. You can either enter their email addresses individually, upload a CSV file, or assign an existing student roster to the class.